GoHighLevel versus Clickfunnels, what small business owners need to know. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do a comparison between GoHighLevel and Clickfunnels. And both of these platforms are amazing at building funnels, but one platform can run your entire business from leads to sales to follow-ups. If you're a small business owner, consultant, agencies, chances are that you've heard of both. And the real question is that which one is going to make sense for your business? So let's break down the prices, features, automation, and real-world use so you know not to make an expensive mistake. Now, what is each one of these platforms built for? Let's start off with Clickfunnels. Now, Clickfunnels is built for one main thing, and that is to create high-converting sales funnels. And to be fair, it does it very well. It's perfect for selling courses, one-time offers, webinars, and info products. But here is the limitation. It's built for funnels, not the entire customer journey. Now, if we compare this to GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel was built to replace multiple business tools. It's not just a funnel builder. It's a CRM, a marketing automation platform, a sales pipeline, and a follow-up machine. Think of it like this. ClickFunnels helps you get leads, but GoHighLevel helps you close, nurture, and retain those particular leads. Now, moving on, let's actually take a look at their dashboards and what they're going to look like. So starting off, this is your dashboard on GoHighLevel. On the left, you're going to find a launch pad, your dashboard, conversations, calendars, contact, opportunities, and payments. Then below that, you have AI agents, marketing, automation, sites, memberships, media storage, reputation, reporting, and your app marketplace. Everything is easy to access and can easily be automated. Now, this is your dashboard on ClickFunnels. So on the left, you're going to have funnels, products, customers, and learning and connection. That is your basic menu on ClickFunnels. So just by looking at the menus, you can see that there's a huge difference. ClickFunnels offers beautiful templates, easy drag and drop builder, and proven funnel structures. However, if I compare this to GoHighLevel, also includes funnel and landing page building, templates, custom domains, upselling and downselling, and everything that ClickFunnels offers. So GoHighLevel has CRM, automations, and funnels connected in one platform. No extra tools, no integrations needed. That connection changes everything. Now, when it comes to GoHighLevel's full sales CRM, you get visual pipelines, lead stages, notes and tasks, call, SMS, and email history all in one place. This is huge for service businesses, agencies, and local businesses with high ticket sales. You're not just building funnel, you're also going to be able to run your sales with the help of GoHighLevel. Now let's take a look at ClickFunnels. When you're using their smart funnel builder, you can easily create your funnels. Simply select the funnel type and you can proceed. However, after your basic funnel creation, when it comes to CRM tools, there's no particular detail in that. You have basic contact storage, like saving your contacts in the form of segments, and that is it. They have limited deal tracking with weak pipeline management, and you will often need a separate CRM, an extra emailing tool, and Zapier integrations to have all of this be linked together, which is a really annoying thing that you might have to do. But if you're opting to use a separate tool, then you're going to have to do that with ClickFunnels. Next up is automation, and this is a huge thing where most people do need to focus on automations because everyone wants to save time. So when it comes to ClickFunnels automations, you will find that when you're building a funnel, I'll create a sample funnel in front of you guys. You have some basic automation and it has follow-up funnels. So let's say I build a lead sequence. After the lead sequence, I would want to add them to another sequence. So it has follow-up funnels, but there is no to low SMS functionality. There's less advanced workflows and it doesn't offer built-in integrated tools. So you are going to have to integrate those by going into integrations, and then you're going to integrate a third-party tool for more automations. So it works, but it's not built for aggressive lead follow-up. Now, if I compare this to using GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel has a dedicated automation workflow section. And when you go ahead and you want to proceed with an automation, you guys can see we have a couple of automations, sample automations. We can click on create workflow and we have a few different options. then I'm going to show you guys some templates as well. And you can see that GoHighLevel is built for speed and conversion. You can easily auto text new leads in seconds, send multi-channel sequences, which include voicemail, email, and SMS. You can move leads automatically through pipelines, book appointments without manual work, and this is exactly where small businesses win, because most leads don't need funnels, they need a better follow-up. You can see we have many different types of templates available that we can utilize to easily be able to get started with our lead management and follow-ups. So in this category, GoHighLevel definitely does take the cake. Now, what about pricing? Because this is where a lot of people are going to be making their decision, and we're going to compare price neck and neck. So what about Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels has a few different plans. We're going to be comparing monthly billing, and you guys will see their launch plan starts at $67, then their launch plan starts at $97, and then their scale is $197, and their optimize is $297. Now, when it comes to GoHighLevel, their starter is $97, their unlimited is $297, and their SaaS Pro is $497. Now, fret not, because when you're using GoHighLevel, you're using an all-in-one tool, and when you compare the prices of both of their starter plan, they're exactly the same. However, the features could not be more different. You guys can see you have only one workspace, whereas on the starter plan on GoHighLevel, you have 3 workspaces. In Clickfunnels, you can see you have 2 members that you can add. However, it's a lot more easier to add and manage with GoHighLevel. And you can create 3 courses, 5 custom domains, and GoHighLevel has a full online booking, pipeline, social calendar, website builder, and more. And they also allow you to set up 3 sub-accounts with unlimited contacts and users. So however many team members you have, they can all join in. Then you have their unlimited plan. Now, their unlimited plan is more expensive than the scale plan on Clickfunnels. However, it also includes branded desktop applications, unlimited sub-accounts, and API access. The scale plan on Clickfunnels is pretty decent because it gives you a lot of email marketing options because you have a lot of volume. However, again, you're limited to only 5 workspaces, so you can't create more than 5 workspaces, and if you're an agency trying to grow, then that means you can only basically have 5 clients. You cannot add more workspaces to manage your clients. So Clickfunnels only works as a funnel builder. It doesn't work as a small business tool. So remember, you're going to need a CRM, SMS tool, and automation software if you are opting to use Clickfunnels for your needs. However, if I was to compare this to GoHighLevel, you get funnels, CRM, automation, SMS, all in one platform. For a small business owner, that means lower cost, less tech stress, and easier scaling. So who should be using which one of these platforms? Well, GoHighLevel is better if you run a service business, sell high-ticket offers, and you want to manage leads, clients, and follow-ups, and you want one tool instead of 5. However, Clickfunnels would be better for people that are only looking to sell a digital product and funnels are your entire business, and you do not require deep client management. So Clickfunnels is a great funnel builder, but GoHighLevel is a complete business tool and growth system. So check the link in the description down below to get started with GoHighLevel. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next.